Hello guys, welcome back to Legend. Today we are back with another brand new drone flight. I'm here in Victoria Park in Leicester, so without further ado, let's take off. Alright, so a drone is up in the sky. We are just going to turn off the camera now. So yeah, we are on 50 feet. So it was sunny pretty much the whole day, but then as soon as I come here, it gets cloudy. That happens a lot on my drone flights. Hopefully the sun actually comes out soon. It's just a big thick cloud has just come in front of the sun. Sun's playing hide and seek today. So yeah, we're just gonna explore this little area. Alright, so let's go back into video mode. So let's start off in this area. As you can see, it looks like there was a circus happening here and they're packing away. So let's get an orbit shot of that first, quickly. What we'll do, we'll go down here, get a shot of the main part of the town centre here in Leicester. So yeah, I usually fly around London. I've only done a few flights. I've only done a few flights outside of London. I should hopefully start doing more flights out of London. So as you can see, we've got the road down here. We're gonna go down. We're gonna get a nice orbit shot of this road down there. So the weather in the UK is unpredictable. I planned for a sunny drone flight and the clouds just come. It was literally just about to get sunny again, and now a big thick cloud has even covered that now. So now I hope it does get sunny. I remember one of my recent drone flights, Hackney Wick drone flight, it got completely cloudy and I didn't get any sun at all for the whole drone flight. Or maybe I should have waited for the sun, but I don't know when it's going to come, so I just might as well start the drone flight now. Alright, so let's go down and follow this blue bus, wherever it's going down London Road, which I think that's the centre part of Leicester. Was it going towards London? So that's actually the town centre of Leicester. We're going to go down there right now. We're going to get a shot of it. So like, it's actually sunny in the far end, as you can see, right there. So let's just stay around there. I'm not going to go that far. I'm just going to stay around there and come back. Because that's a bit too far to fly. It's got a big building down here. Let's come a little bit back. We'll explore the town centre, as you can see. As you can see, this is the town centre. So yeah, let's come back towards the park. What we'll do now, we'll go to the other side explore the other side. You know what? It's actually not that bad flying when it's cloudy. Usually, I like to fly when there's sunshine, but because it's clouds, it's actually not that bad. Like the footage, it still looks almost as good. It's just a different vibe when it's sunny. So yeah, we are in Victoria Park now, and I actually flew in another Victoria Park a few flights ago in London, near Hackney Wick. That was the one I'm talking about, and it was sunny as well. So yeah, as you can see, this is the town. This looks like the roundabout centre, as you can see, right here. Let's just go around that for a bit. Yeah, let's carry on going around it. Let's throw like a kind of iconic thing like a blue car that's going there. Let's come back. You can actually hear that car from here. Let's go down a little bit. Let's get a shot of this nice looking building. Let's go down this side this time. We're gonna go down here. What happened there? How did I lose signal for literally 1 second? Literally, all I was doing was flying straight down and just lost signal for absolutely no reason, even though the drone's clearly in sight. Right, what we'll do, we'll go down here. We're gonna go down to this area down here. Gonna get a tour of this building. Let's see what's potentially down here. As you can see, there's like a building here, as you can see. I'm gonna get a tour of that. I'm gonna go a bit lower down, get a lower down shot of this building. Let's get a unique kind of shot. Then what we'll do is get a shot of this building over here. Look at that shot, amazing. Right, what we'll do now, we'll head down to this area down here. I don't know what building this is. It looks like a car park or something. No, it's not a car park. It's so you can get nice shots. Look, we'll go down. That looks insane. What we'll do now, we'll just go a bit above. Let's go somewhere down here. Let's go down to these blocks. Let's go down here to this area, central area down here. As you can see, get a nice static shot of this. Let's go a little bit down here. Let's get a 360 tour of the area. Alright, let's follow a car back, like this white car. Get a nice tracking shot. All right, let's bring the drone back. I need to update my home point because I walked a little bit down to go closer to the area where the drone is. Let's start recording my camera. You see the drone just down there, which is right above us. Let's quickly land it. Right, so that was my drone flight in Victoria Park. I hope you found this video interesting. I'll speak to you in the next one.